The Leyland DAF T244 ex-military lorries have a cab rust trap. The roof gun hatch is attached with captive bolts. These leak over time and let water drip in. This runs down the engine tunnel and pools in the passenger and driver's footwells. The thick rubber mats that are fitted holds the water underneath. On removal of these mats, this is what I was faced with: rusted out footwells. Lots of work with a 4-inch grinder and wire brushes, and it was ready to weld some steel sheeting. This is one job I don't do. Luckily for me, my brother is a coded welder. After welding, lots of red oxide paint was applied, and it was time for the interior cab respray. The cabs are shockingly loud as there's no noise dampening. To sound deaden the cab roof, I stuck egg box foam to it. To the floor, I fixed Neopon backed rubber strips to take out any surface irregularities. I then applied a sheet of heat reflective blanket. Ply lined the rear wall and sides, built rear storage cubbyhole boxes, and carpeted the floor and the walls. The door cards and cubby boxes are covered in the same rubber with press-on door edge trim. I'll just give you a little guided tour around the inside of the cab after I'd finished all the welding, putting all the sound insulation in and starting to finish it off. I'll start on the driver's side with the new door card. Total respray inside. Carpet line to the walls. Egg foam to the ceiling. Some storage space behind the seats, all carpeted. We've got 2 boxes behind 2 seats. Both have a small amount of storage inside them. All carpeted, ready for the 2 dog beds, one each side for our travelling dogs. Down through the centre of the truck, and carpeted left and right, all insulated underneath. The offending hatch, which will leak and cause you all your problems of rust, as you think it may come from the floor and work its way up, but it doesn't. All the rust which is underneath these floors on both sides is caused by the leaking captive bolts. It drips onto here and runs down, and you get water running down one side, filling that well up, and you get another one which runs down this side and fills this footwell up, and that's where your rust will come from. So we'll just show you the inside of the truck now it's all finished. Hope you enjoyed the slides and this video.